What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set limit orders on Trojan Solana bot. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And make sure that you have the right bot. For that, I'll provide a link in the description. You guys can go and access this bot from there. To begin, we'll simply hit the start button, and once we do that, we'll see a couple of options here, and on above you can see your available balance and your wallet's address on Trojan. And here is this limit orders option, and if you click on it, we don't have any active limit orders right now. For that, we can head over to this buy and sell option. I'll head over to the buy option. Here I'll write the name of the token that I want set limit orders, and once we do that, here I have selected Hemi. Now this is the limit orders option right here, and these are the preset amounts that you can select for your limit order. I can, for example, select one sol, and I can also go here, and what I can do is write a custom amount on the XSOL option right here. For example, here I can write 0.001. It's quite simple and easy to do, and just like that I have written 0.001. And now you can select XSOL, and with that you can also select a custom slippage amount. You can click on this price option, and if you click here, it says enter the trigger price of your limit buy order. You can enter it in percentages. For example, you can enter 3%, 4% when you want your limit order to get execute. Here there is another option, schedule. You can click on it, and here you can enter the time when you want your limit order to get executed. So you can also do that. And here I'll just select the price, and here I'll enter the percentage. For example, I'm entering 3%, and if I click on it, now the percentage is set. I can now click on create order option. Simply click here, and our now limit order is created. Now I can go and view its details. Well, that's how you can create your buy and sell limit orders. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.